Hi, I'm Nitin Kashyap, and today I'll be demonstrating the assignment 3 on how to run these programs and create these models. The first part of the assignment 3 is creating a 3D model from segmented data points from an MRI dataset. So for this, I have written my own function, and in this is the function that I have written, and it is named as d underscore 3, and in this case, the d underscore 3 program takes two values, that is a and b, that is the lower limit and the upper limit of the images that I need to be performing the IM profile and getting the 3D model out of it. So when I to run this, I just use the file name, that is d underscore 3, the function name, and give the input values, that is for example in this case I'm taking images from 4 to 10, so 4 comma 10, and close the brackets, and when I hit enter, the program runs, and the first image, the fourth image, is being loaded here, as we can see here, and I'm performing the IM profile on these first image, and after I hit enter, the second image is being done, and now the third, and this is done until I complete the 10th image, and all these datas are being stored in a variable called data, and on this data set the triangulation would be performed, and then a 3D segmented model would be generated. As you can see here, the data is run, and we have a 3D segmented model of these images. So this is the first part of our assignment. Thank you. In the second part of the assignment, we are trying to do the segmentation and 3D model construction. For this, we use a 3D slicer application. So I've already downloaded the 3D slicer application, and I have I have already preloaded these MRI images that I have got here. And as you can see here, the green mark, that is the tumor that I would like to paint and get the 3D model out of it. And as we can see here, I have painted over this tumor on all the MRI slices, and that would be done using the editor toolbox that is seen here. After we do this, we need to create a mesh model of this tumor. So when there is a button which creates the mesh model button, the model would be this one. So as soon as I press this, it makes a make model effect. So when I press this, I get the model created in this window. I can zoom in on that particular window so that we can only see the 3D model. So we can actually see how the 3D model is created of this tumor using the mesh model. So this is the second part of our assignment. Thank you. Hi, in the third part of the assignment, we have to perform image registration. For this, we are provided with the data set which has the coordinate system of, for example, a patient's skull in robot coordinate system and the same points in the MRI data space. For this, we need to write an objective function again, mainly which takes input as the XYZ yaw pitch roll as the inputs, and performs and generates the transformation matrix. And after generating the transformation matrix, it reads the new data.m file and takes out the data points, and it performs error calculation, and eventually it gives us the final error value. For this, I have written my own program and function. The function that I have called is it's called as vector. So when I give the command vector with the XYZ and yaw pitch roll information here as the input, and when I press enter, I get an error called 2.0047 centimeters. So this is the final error of the initial to or the image registration from one coordinate system to the other coordinate system. This is basically about the third part of the image registration part of the assignment. Thank you.